Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add photo on a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and select your video project. Make sure your main video is already on the timeline and ready for editing. And after that, tap Overlay, then Add Overlay. Then choose the photos you want to add. Then it will appear above your video on the timeline. Now you can also resize it, or you can move or rotate the photo anywhere on the screen. You can also adjust how long it stays on the screen by dragging its edges in the timeline. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.